Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain about the disease male infertility, male weakness, causes, its symptoms and way of treatment that Taseer Dawakhana is offering for cure this disease, which name is Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy. By using this course, you can increase your penis up to 1 inch. The ways to go more fast: men who wish they had more stamina in the bedroom sometimes reach for male enhancement therapy. This is a common complaint among all men, especially while age creeps up on us. That size of your penis is not mild enough and your erection strength might not always what you want it to be. Sometimes your body won't force enough blood into your penis and you will be left with a weak erection. That's why your penis size not increase. It's basically a semi-flaccid erection and might not be strong enough for sexual intercourse. You need a certain degree of hardness for penetration. Men's weakness are very common nowadays. Every third person suffers from this disease. Especially young people are affected by the disease. There can be many causes of male weakness. Watching dirty videos, dirty stories and relationship with underage women create a strong desire for intercourse. A male weakness is caused by insufficient blood flow to the penile sponge, like tissues, when the penis does not get a high enough level of blood flow. The penis cannot expand fully. Also, if the sponge tissues cannot hold the blood, this also restrains the penis from growing to its full size. A sexual problem or sexual dysfunction refers to a problem during any phase of the sexual response cycle that prevents the man or couple from experiencing satisfaction from the activity. If a man is not married, then he works with masturbation and gradually he gets into this nasty habit. This habit weak the man's sexual power, makes the person unable to do sexual intercourse properly and he affair to the name of marriage. But unfortunately in our society, other methods such as surgery later cause a variety of infections that can cause a person to suffer from other major disease. Now you can increase your penis size as you want. Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is not only increase the penis size and girth of your penis but also holds many other benefits, including the ability to hold more blood and increase blood circulation, resulting in strong erection and sexual performance. After just a few short weeks of using this therapy, you will notice the effect of increased circulation and your penis hanging noticeably lower. Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy also promotes proper nerve and tissues health and will actually increase sensation and feeling to the penis, resulting in rock hard erection anytime you wish. Regular exercising of the penis will also develop a very muscular look, surely standing out from the average penis in the locker room. The main benefits of Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is that of produce permanent result. When you use Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, the cells in the penis are being constantly stretched and held in the larger state. All of medicine that have been added in this penis enlargement therapy are simple but expensive to perform, safe and do not cause any pain. In fact, they are actually quite pleasant. This therapy have no any side effect, no pumps and definitely no surgery. Just pure natural herbs medicine. It also holds many other benefits, including the ability to hold more blood and increase blood circulation, resulting in stronger erection and performance. After just a few short weeks of using this therapy, you will notice the effect of increased circulation and your penis hanging noticeably lower. Penis enlargement therapy also promote proper nerve and tissue health and will actually increase sensation and feeling to the penis, resulting in rock hard erection anytime you wish. This therapy comes in different forms that help men struggling with a healthy male life. Choosing male enhancement Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is our #1 recommendation. It takes the pride of place because of its performance and positive result. We manufactured come up with a unique product combining efficacy with safety. We have had a stream of happy customers writing to me with their success stories. It gives me a high to note that the rate of success with this penis enlargement therapy is an outstanding 98%. Viewers, by using Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, you can also cure these penis disease. Other types of penis problem: infection in penis, loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, muscular fracture in penis, bent penis, weak from root, ring in middle of penis, paralyzed penis. This course is an valuable gift for all these gentlemen who want to increase their manly strength and energy. It is a unique product made from the world's most erotic herbs to enhance stamina, pleasure, confidence and strength of a man. It contains heat and energy generating herbs which increase blood circulation in the tissue of the penis, that help to increase the size of the penis, adds to its erectile strength and gives strength to whole body. Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effects. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method, with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Regain and maintain your most intense primal sexual urges, increase your testosterone level, increase your semen and ejaculatory power, promote fertility, improve your blood circulation, gain in length, size and weight of your penis and testicle, improve your sexual nerve system, treat male impotence, prolong erection, even with interruptions and after ejaculations, boost your sexual energy levels, balance your hormone levels, spark your existing sexual relationship, create deep sexual satisfaction for your partner. Fast acting, no side effects. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all the disease by using Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbs and free from any side effect. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakims with prolonged research. Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery. After researching various natural herbs in the light of essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discovered the safe and effective method of active Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy and complete cure for restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only cure which does not have any side effect. Avoid smoking and drugs altogether. Light exercise and walk are helpful. Avoid pornographic ideas. pornographic literature and movies. So viewers, if you or your known person has male weakness problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Ultra Advanced Penis Enlargement Therapy, which will cure all penis disease and male weakness problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.